In this video, I'm going to show you how I put a Walksnail digital FPV kit into my brand new SCX30. Sorry for the length, but I did want to include as much of the nonsense as possible so you could see pretty much everything from start to finish without skipping too many steps. I also wanted you to see the thought process and problem solving that I experienced while putting this together. If you want to skip around, feel free to do so. If you want to skip to the SCX30 in action, skip to 36 minutes 26 seconds. If you want to skip to the close-up pictures of the FPV mounting details, skip to 39 minutes 35 seconds. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more detailed FPV builds like this. Thanks for watching. Alright, SCX30, brand new. Looking forward to it. This thing is small. Really cool. And today we're gonna open it. I just got it. I have not opened it yet. I'm gonna open it and then throw some FPV on it and give it a drive and see how it does. This guy, transmitter and some other stuff. Let's see, battery charger. Okay, tools and pieces, replacement pieces, a transmitter, which we do not need. Alright. Oh my god. Alright. This guy. That battery is adorable. Oh wow. 2S160. Okay. Could I get this to fit? But it's heavier. It'll make it lean. This thing does not make it lean. Even if it does, it's so small. That's for sure heavier. But this would be more, maybe instead of there, what if I did this? So FPV will have to go into this. But I think if this is here, it's probably okay. So the backside, there's lots of room, it looks like. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do a rooftop mount anyway, so I'm not really worried about taking this off specifically to get in the cockpit, because I wanna, being such a small vehicle for FPV, I would like for it to maximize the surrounding view. So, that being said, that's why I'm going to do a rooftop mount. Alright, so we've got Walksnail Avatar 1S kit, but let me see, I don't want to do it to that. Yeah. But I'm going to run it on this 2S battery, and it should give me about 10 minutes of battery life. This is the same kit that I run in my Mini Z's. and it should work well. Alright, I might just leave the roof rack off. We'll see. Okay, got some FPV stuff up here. Okay, let's just see if this is the issue. This should not be the issue, but okay. What are you doing? It's got to be this cord. There we go. It is not paired. Let's pair it. There we go. Okay, so now what we want to do is see what's going to be the best position for this on the roof, for the best point of view. This guy's getting some airflow in it while we're doing this. Oh, I know what I could do. Hold on. Oh, well, that works for now. I don't know if that's maybe like right there. Make sure this thing's not overheating. I think right there would be good. Okay. So I think that'll work. Okay. About here. Oof, those are not fitting right through there. So let's see if we can just do this. Oof, it's gonna be close. Now it will fit through there. Man, that is not a lot of extra beef around that. Don't know if I like that very much. Not gonna force it because I don't want it to just like break right off. These are printed in PETG, or this thing is printed in PETG, so it should be more durable, but it's still very thin, so I don't fully trust it. Don't know if this... Alright, don't know if this will be sharp enough. 25%. 2, 3. Alright, it's on the fastest speed. You see it moving? Me neither. But if it makes this noise when we touch metal, we know it's doing its micro thing. Alright, so it is. I don't know if this is going to be strong enough to cut through this. I don't think it's going to. For my son's robotics class. Yeah, I can actually hear it doing something, but it is definitely not doing a very good job. I should say not a very effective job. Alright, change tools here. Alright, actually like this. This one actually should work pretty well. This is great for polycarbonate bodies, but I found it also works on a lot of other plastics when I need to put a hole into it without like shattering. So I tried drilling holes in some like some of those, not Lexan, is it those crappy acrylic sheets from like Hobby Lobby, and did it with a regular drill bit, and those things just like shattered over by the edges. It did not do very well at all. But this was able to leave a nice, good, clean hole for those. So I've tried on other plastics, and it seems to work really well. That goes through. Okay, let's see here. It's really big. It'd be really easy to cut too much off with that thing. Alright, finally got this hole cut out. Sheesh. Okay, so now should be able to... Oh no, will it fit? That is the question. Oh, you know what? I think it will if I remove this camera again. Let's see. Or the lens, I should say, not the camera.
Daddy.
Yeah, girl?
Yes.
Yeah, it's my paddle. What are you doing with it? Huh? Just looking at it?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you see the picture on it?
Yeah, it's a picture of you. It looks like it got burnt.
It did.
How?
Carefully.
Did it just get burnt to look cool?
Yes. It's pretty cool, right?
Who burnt it?
Well, some of my friends in the military, they made it for me. They made it as a surprise. It's pretty cool.
What is this for, though?
They just give it to people that who they liked working with. It's their way of showing appreciation for who they worked with. So
That's so nice.
it is nice. Yeah, it's a pretty big deal to get that. So I'm like pretty proud of it. Yeah.
It should be with you since the day you die.
Yeah, good call. I think so too.
Yeah. To show how much you love them. To show your love back.
That's right. Do this first. It's not my favorite mount for an FPV camera, but it's very low real estate, which is good. I don't like that this is what I have to do to get it to fit in here, but it works and it's really small platform. Guess I might as well just stuff this all the way in here. This I'm just putting in to just get it wedged in nice and tight. I'll put the front, because this was actually made for the nano camera, not their light camera. Okay, so let's see. What did I just do with that? No, here we go. Alright, so let's see if this is going to be long enough. Okay, so it is possible I could just a couple of different ways I can do this to run off the crawler. Yeah, one less battery would be the crawler and the battery. And so if we do that, and it'll go on and off with the crawler, which is good. Alright, let's look. Well, I guess what I should do is make sure that, well, hold on. Put this here. Should just see if this will even go in here. I got a piece of Velcro. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, that's really small. I don't know if this is gonna actually be big enough or not. Could possibly restrict, but it could also maybe work. Let's try. So much of this is just trial and error to see what works and what doesn't. Yeesh. Okay, come on. Do that. No, I don't want it to go under that. Okay. Yeah, what about there? So if it's there, it actually does not look like it really interferes with it. Okay. It seems like it does, but I don't think it will. So that's towards the front. Yeah, okay, so let's try, oh, I bet if we, well, let's just do this. Let's try that there. Oh, here, hold on. Oh, no, this would be better flipped. Okay. Yeah, duh. All right, hold on. Oh my gosh, come on. So now the moment of truth. Can we get this to, this, I don't like how not flexible this cord is, this wiring is. Oh my goodness. Maybe I'm gonna have to do some wire management here. So that goes there. Oh boy, is it gonna fit? Oh my gosh, it's so tight in there. That's what she said. Oh dang it. Oh no, I do see those clippies. Okay. Dude. Oh boy. That is a really tight fit. It's actually tighter than I thought it was going to be. Man, this might not work. Well, this Velcro does not like to stick very well. Yes.
What are you doing?
Talking to myself.
Are you making a video?
Trying to.
I'll leave you alone. I'll leave you alone.
Okay.
I just want to say you got a big...
Oh. What's that? I couldn't hear you.
You're so big.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
I don't want to say it too loud. I was using glasses.
Okay. Well, you guys heard it. Dude. It's an SUV. There should be a ton of room in here. What is going on? Dude, no. It's like not even close. What on earth? Dang it. Do I have to run this on the top? I do not want to run it on the top. Dang it. Wait a minute. The fan is still going. Hold on. We might be in business. As much as I don't need the transmitter, let's just test it. Make sure. Okay. There it is. Most excellent. Ooh, you know what? I do think the camera is out of focus. Which we can fix that. Okay. That looks good. Oh man, that clarity is so good. Sheesh. There is some input lag on this monitor. It's not the best. Most of the TVs I have are better, but the clarity is really good, and I'd say for crawling, this monitor probably doesn't matter too much. But real quick, a couple of things I want to go over. So I'm gonna test this out at an event tomorrow. Let's see. I feel like we didn't do much driving, but we had that camera running for a bit. But anyway, 7.4 volts hooked up to this. I have one of the older 1S Lite kits. The reason why I mention that is because the voltage is different on those. Let me grab the packaging so I can show you. Oh my gosh, I have a small antenna in this. Okay, so this is unopened Avatar HD Mini 1S Lite. Alright, so this guy, let's see. Lots of glare from my bright light in here. But if you notice on the back of this one, the input power. Ooh, let's see there. Wonder if I can do it. Let's see. It's blurry. Focus. Alright, so I think you can see that. Input power is 3.1 to 13 volts on this one. I believe there may have been issues with these because this kit is from, I don't know, it's March of this year, but I was on their website, I thought today, and it said that it was the 3.1 to 5 volts, but this is definitely a 3.1 to 13. And I've run several of these on 2S and 3S without a problem. So, which is set, you know, your 7.4 and 11.1 or fully charged even at 12.6, and yeah, I haven't had an issue running these at all. So this is a kit that I have, and so this is why I'm running a 2S battery fine. If you have this kit, but the one that's 3.1 to 5 volts, you would need a BEC to step down the voltage. Something in the way of this, but then like running this and this small of a vehicle, it's going to take up a lot of your real estate. But this guy right here, that will run whatever you got into 5 volts. So I have, so when I've had kits before that were just the 3.1 to 5 volt, I run these in line with it, or finally have like 5 volt fans. I'll run this in there. That way the fan is only, a 5 volt fan is only getting 5 volts and nothing more, and gonna fry. I think that covers about everything. So now just going to be setting this up so that we can do a test run with this guy with the steering wheel set up. There we go. Alright, so this one is the ELRS version with the 4-in-1 external. SIM to RC adapter. And all the other things. Okay. Alright, we need the 4-in-1 for this, so because this SCX30 comes with a built-in, oh boy, why is that loose? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so the 4-in-1 will bind with the axial vehicles. Okay, that stuff, I don't have to worry about that right now. Let's get this guy on. Yeah, okay. There we go.
Welcome to HTX.
Let's see, what model here? Let's do I think it uses the same one. So let me copy this one. It's right there. select, rename it. So on this, we're on the setup, we're going down, internal off, external on, because that's our 4-in-1. And the only other thing is I believe it should be SLT 1 to 4 channel. I believe that's the one that it's supposed to be. I'm almost positive that's the one it is. So let's leave it here for now. I'm going to go down to bind. Press and hold power for 3 seconds. Red light flashes rapidly. Press and then release it. Now it's in bind mode. Power on the transmitter. Okay. When the 2-in-1 and transmitter LEDs glow solid, binding is complete. Okay. Okay. Let's try this again. There we go. Let's see if that did it. Okay, trainer cable into the trainer port. SMRC, SIM2RC. Oh, I need a power source for this guy. Shoot. Oh, no, I've got one. Power source, steering wheel, and then power up the SIM2RC.
Trainer connected.
Just in case. Yeah, I don't think it is, because... Wait. Oh, it is! There we go. It's working. Turn to the right, it goes left. Left, it goes right. Okay, so I just need to switch. What about... Let's try throttle and brake. Throttle. And brake. There we go. It's because it's power's turned way low. Let's do this. Up. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. Brake. Nice. Okay. Nice. Okay. I like it. Okay. But I gotta flip those. That. Oh, but you know what? Dang. Inverse. Okay. Oh, inverse. Now I might need to go to -14. Yep. Okay. Well, looks like it is ready for some FPV sim rig driving. Alright, just real quick to cover a couple of things on this. If you get the SIM2RC, because I will have it back up in stock in the shop soon. Let's see, so mixes, Trainer 1 and Trainer 2. Which the creator, he's got a really helpful video on Instagram. Just get a hold of me. Just reach out to me if you need the video sent to you, but it's relatively easy. Mixes, channel 1, channel 2, trainer 1, trainer 2. I'd say where people have messed up is not doing that. So you'll have steering and throttle as your 1 and 2, and then trainer 1, trainer 2. And then usually when people have those and they're like, oh, it's still not working, so it's usually this part. Down here, you want to have, obviously, just once it's bound, you're good. But the main thing is this right here. This is what everybody seems. It's an easy one to forget, and I've forgotten with like doing several vehicles this way. Is by default that mode will be on off.
Trainer signal lost.
There you go. So
Trainer
once you
signal recovered.
set it to that, you are good to go. So those are the big ones. You got to make sure it's set to master jack. And then have your trainer 1 and trainer 2 assigned. I want to say, no, that should be it. You shouldn't really have to mess with inputs. I feel like I might have, and this doesn't really matter. The main thing is this way you need to assign is your channel 1 and channel 2. But yeah, then it should be good. So now this is good to test out with the SimRig cockpit.
Can you swivel your...
Hold on, it looks like it's gonna kick.
Oh, there it goes. They did it. Yeah, there it goes. So before I put the tire on the front, I couldn't make it up this. I put the tire on the front. Now I can.
Because you were backflipping.
The whole way. Yeah.
We'll have to try that with mine.
Yeah, that's a good call.
Yeah, this is a very hard line. So much fun. It's like, I see all sorts of cool rocks and stuff, outside, and I'm like, man, I wish I could drive on those.
Right?
And then now you can.
Exactly.
Yeah, a Fury Tech system in that thing?
Yeah, bro.